Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to play 2048 on the screen display. To play 2048 on the screen display, let's go to Play Store, make sure that you are connected to your Google account. And next, find 2048 Automotive. Install it. And play. As you can see, this is a great way to pass the time when you are parked. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.